Well, hello there. Thank you for joining us here at Coolest Life. My name is Tony, and I'm here to take you through Norwegian Cruise Lines and our experiences with that line. We went on my first cruise ever, but before we did that, we watched a whole bunch of videos about cruising, things to do, things not to do, which I will come out with a video about that probably next month or something like that. But for right now, we went on this Norwegian cruise in August of 2025, and I broke this video down so it wouldn't be really long, but I really wanted to get you to experience the entertainment side of it, what happened as far as entertainment. I did a whole separate video of Nothing Choir of Man. I got its own section because it was I did so much videos there, so I really wanted to get a feel. It's probably their biggest production show. But anyway, and also I want to give you also want to do a video on excursions, another video on the food itself, and another video on the ship and what's the ship layout kind of thing, and some things you can expect to see on the ship as far as embarkation, deportation. I guess maybe deportation. Disembarkation. But come on with this. I'll put whatever this one here is right down here. So that's going to tell you what this particular video is going to be about, which you should probably already know by the caption. Anyway, come on with this because you just entered the coolest life. So what have we done so far? So far, I guess you could say we've basically got on the boat and we have got into our cabin, and we have really enjoyed the festivities going on, the disembarkation, I guess is what it's called, party that was going on at the pool area. Was kind of cool. We kind of sat down at the observation deck, which was kind of neat, and really enjoyed that. It was a little warm down there for some reason, but there was no food. It was actually not far. The next one up was at the buffet. The buffet was not open, but the views were great. As maybe you can see here, we're still in Puget Sound, and looking. There we go. Looking forward to our first stop. Of course, we got our first day tomorrow is at sea, I believe, and then we'll be at our first destination. But thought you enjoyed some of that information. So inside of our cabin, we got this. It's for military reception. They give you a nice little coin, which is kind of cool. So I told them I was prior service, and they give you a little packet like this. I actually haven't really looked through this. I probably should have before I open it up. We're going to find out what it's about. So they got a reception. Oh, they got a patch here. Isn't that nice? Guess I could put that on my luggage or something, huh? Now the lapel pin there. And we've got some different benefits. And we've got a military family freestyle package here. So I don't know what this all is. And I'm going to take a look through all of it, what's going on. It gives you, that's just a regular schedule there. Shore excursion form. That's just basic stuff. But saving the sizzle, so that's kind of cool. They give you a little package here for military benefits. They got a get together tomorrow, which is actually on the front of this, that it tells you about the get together that's going on tomorrow. So we'll go maybe check it out. No need not to, since we are at sea this day. We're down here on the 6th floor. There's a restaurant that way, and right here at the end is supposed to be an exact replica of this ship, which is kind of cool. Right down to beach chairs.
So this has changed, right?
Yeah. The spot on the back I'll show you has definitely changed. So we've heard, we haven't been back there because I think it's part of the Haven or something, but we haven't been that part. But this right here is the same, and this is the same, definitely. And they got, I see the handicap chairs, but I don't think the handicap chairs are there anymore. I don't remember seeing any. I didn't see the hot tubs open either. I don't know if the hot tubs are still there or not. The rest of it looks pretty good. Go-kart track. Want to be doing the go-kart track. And they used to have this on it. It was a laser tag area, but I don't think it's here anymore. They actually got rid of that this year, actually.
Makes the adults only area.
Yeah,
It's not behavior.
yeah, that's right. It is adults only area. I think it's called VIP or something.
H2O.
Yeah, H2O. So it's basically a beach deck, and they got a pool, but you got to pay extra for that. Pretty cool. Yeah, I think maybe they have that at the end. I don't remember. One thing I wanted you to notice here is their lighting system. So they put those hang tags on the door, do not disturb. Well, they don't have that here. What they have is these. So you can actually say makeup room, do not disturb. So obviously we can put those on at the same time. But when you do that, what it does is it turns this light on for you. You can see how much brighter the top one is. Yeah, go ahead and push one. Did you push it? Okay, see, it says do not disturb. It's actually a little brighter. So it's there you probably saw that. Hey, how are you? All right, John. Thank you. And then you take. She's gonna grab her card out of the slot because when you come in, you're supposed to put your card in, let you know that you're there, and pretty soon those lights will time out. I wanted to show you something here really quick about these lights. I think we talked about this. This is actually a thermostat. It doesn't tell you how cold or hot it is, but you know what it feels like in here. So if you wanted to go up or down, you would just push these up or down. So what you would do. Anyway, this is your light switch. So you put your card in here, right? As soon as you come through the door, you put your card in here. But this controls the main lights. Oh, see how dark it got. These control basically this light above me and this light and that light. This one here controls the bathroom. You notice one other thing. They're not labeled at all. You just got to kind of know it. And they've got another light similar to that over here. So again, they're not labeled. That one controls this mood lighting going around here, which goes all the way up and around the back of this headboard. And this one here controls the main room lighting. So you don't have to, you control the main room lighting over there, or you control the main room lighting over here. But a couple of things that we didn't need. I heard a lot of things people were saying, get clips. Well, we didn't need any clips. For one, this stateroom here has got a whole lot of them. If you see, we're not even using a whole bunch of stuff here. I do 2 TVs. They got this TV and the other one. Excuse me. In the other room. The other thing we didn't need, that everybody kept saying, bring magnetic hooks. Well, I got hooks here that I'm not even using. Plus because this room is actually, will actually sleep 5. And I'll show you how that happens in a minute. I mean, I've got ample. In fact, I took out a whole bunch of these hangers because I didn't need them because they were just all jammed in here. So, but there's that one, and there's this one that we're not even using. Probably could put our luggage in there, but we didn't. We actually put our luggage under the bed where everybody recommended. And this is kind of neat. It gives you an extra blackout because even with this window here, as you close it and these overlap, you could see if it's bright outside, you still got a lot of sunlight that comes around this thing here. So the great thing about that is you can then pull this one, which separates the room. It's really a separator for the secondary room. If you got kids or guests, 2 more people staying in this part of the room, you can, they got some privacy. The other thing here is this makes out into a bed. I think it just slides out, or you just take that piece there off. So it makes out into a twin. I thought maybe it flopped down, but that's done by your room attendant. And this up here, they got this as a lock, so you can't just go up here and bring this down all by yourself. You got to ask for assistance, and we're not getting it made up like that because there's only 2 of us. But do like that little stool. Little stool comes in handy, and the TV is really small that we have up there. But other than that, really like the room. It's really clean. John, our man from the Philippines, does a good job keeping it clean and not being in here when we're in here. So that was kind of cool.
Dance with him. So
this is all part of the disembarkation party that's going on. We're actually at sale right now.
Okay, DJ.
So we're still in Puget Sound, and you can see the mountain range out that way, how beautiful it is. I'm gonna get as close as possible to this without getting any glare. Isn't that cool? This is actually why you come on cruises like this. It's not just for the, what's going on shores, or even what's going on the boat itself, but it's just the things that you see from the boat looking out. It's not about events or anything like that, but they're between, this is actually the buffet area. This is seating here. It's really cool. Let me see if I can zoom that in a little bit for you. Let's see what we got here. That's all right, isn't it? You don't get that many places. This is actually the seaside, not the of the boat, not the land side. So again, we're here in Puget Sound, so you're going to get land on both sides. This will be the observation deck. This is toward the front of the ship. It's a little busy actually. Everything to your left side is full of people. The view, we got us a stool to sit on here. It's pretty magnificent. I don't know what mountain that is. That can't be Rainier. It's gotta be, Rainier's gotta be behind us. Huh, who knows? That could be Canada, as far as I know. Maybe I'll put it in the caption. Oh, seriously, I think it is Canada. We're still in Puget Sound here. It's just a beautiful cruise, though. Nice and smooth. It's a lot smoother than I thought it would be. Of course, we're not in open water either. We're still hearing the sound. So we got these primo seats here in the observation deck. Check them out. Take this. I'm only sending this out because I doubt this is going to happen again in the whole trip. People are going to find out about these seats, and we're actually dead center here in the observation deck. See what we're looking at here. Let me tell you, there's a whole lot worse places to spend the day, I assure you. Nothing wrong with this at all. You see the mountains in the background. Mount Olympus is back out that way. And that's Mount Kochuk, I think is what it is, out that way. You can probably see it. So far, so good. We're good. I'm liking this.
Capital of the world. That fishing town feel is everywhere you look, offering some of the best angling anywhere. And some of the best tasting seafood. If you happen to arrive on a bright sunny day, well, that's pretty much out of character.
Now we just did a military appreciation thing here in this place is called the Q Steakhouse, but it's a cool looking little place. Definitely steakhouse. I heard the steaks here are really good, but during the appreciation thing, they didn't feed us. They fed us some little hors d'oeuvre things, but anyway. But really cool looking place. It's got this overlook. This is what we're looking at. Here's where we're sitting. So that's the second floor down there. Well, it's actually I think we're on the 7th. So that's the 6th floor down there, something like that. Of course, this big screen is playing. They're actually advertising what their shows are now. That we're going through a little depiction of there was a big depiction of their newest ship that they have coming out. But that's one of their theater shows there. So this is the local here. But that's pretty neat. And this area is the virtual reality stations. So you put those virtual reality headsets on. You do stuff like drive this Jeep. There's some other competition raceway stuff here. I'll turn this around and help you a little bit. It's pretty empty right now, but this is late in the day, and like lots of people are doing their own thing. Pretty serious when it comes to doing a soccer thing on the other side. This is the ones you lay down on. It looks like it feels like you're flying because they got the fan blowing at you and stuff. It's pretty cool. This is a separate room here. It's got a bunch of, I guess it's like they have some of these at some amusement parks. I've got these. The totally immersion sensory. I don't know how much they are. Maybe it's $10 each time or something like that. I don't know what it is. Thought I came in here when it was empty. another demonstration here of doing some cooking and stuff eventually. Right now they're just doing the show. We're off top here in the second floor. Actually, this is floor 7. They're floor 6 down there. But anyway, we're still coming in here into Juneau. You can see this beautiful view we have here from our restaurant. It's pretty cool. You can see that waterfall straight ahead. See it way up there? Way up there's a waterfall. Beautiful view. Right here having dinner. It's nice. Should be here too. Well, we got back to the room, and it's a beautiful day outside, as I mentioned. Such a nice view. Wish the window was cleaner, but boy, it's cool. Going down to Juneau was really cool. I bought some stuff. Want to see what I got? Maybe. All right, let me turn this thing around. Let's see here. Went to Shirt Off My Back. A couple different places. There's a lot of really good stores. So some are a little high price. You got to watch what you're doing. So I got this. Isn't that nice? It actually fit. It was on the clearance rack. I got it for 20 bucks. And it fit nice and snug. It's going to be good to wear underneath even that or something else. So I got that. Let's see what else I got in here. That might be all. Now, I can't get this undone. Give me a minute. And just like that, let's see what else we got in here. Got us a shirt. My wife got her this shirt. That's kind of cool shirt, huh? You like that? Nice big Alaska shirt. It's not real thick. You know, some of those prints can be really thick. That one's not. And my favorite that I got out here today, you're gonna get a kick out of this. 3 sheets to the Taku winds. Ship-faced cruise market. Isn't that awesome? It smells like a brand new shirt. Yeah, it does. And she gets a postcard she's going to send off. We also got some playing cards. Those are going to be fun. We play cards a lot when we go to different places. And she got a little moose. You can probably see his head right there. And I got me a hat for $14. So that's all right. So that's what we got on this stop to Juneau. Great stop. Really enjoyed it.